Hi guys, now we are going to try to explain in a simple way with the Danny the jet drive. The jet drive is a pump of water, no,
It's a
Danny?
big water pump.
It's a big water pump.
Driven by a motor.
Yeah, and it's other type of propulsion system. Exactly the same like the steam drive, the direct straight transmission, or the V drive, no?
Yep, absolutely.
It's a propulsion system.
There's some advantages and disadvantages of it.
Correct. Sure. We are going to analyze with Danny each component of the jet drive and how the jet drive can be integrated with a diesel engine or with gasoline or electrical.
Yeah,
right?
even electrical. Yeah.
Right now it's famous the electric motors, AC and DC motor in hybrid situation. We are going to analyze the components. Here is the coupling, no, Danny? The coupling.
The coupling where it attaches to the motor.
To the motor,
and
correct.
you have a water pump to
raw water.
cool the system.
That raw water pump in some cases is used for the engine.
For the engine
and the transmission.
For the transmission.
And the transmission. And this is the grill.
This is the grill where it sucks the water from.
Correct.
There's some, the nice thing about it being the grill that is it's really shallow water.
Correct.
The only thing is you got to be careful that you don't suck anything up to damage
debris,
the pump
something like.
debris.
For
Rocks.
that reason, they have like a
grates.
Yeah,
it's like a grate.
Correct, and it's nice because in this one, Danny,
you can prime it
and prime it, and you can clean. Let me show to our students. This is a window. And you have access to the window, and you can clean the debris, and you can prime the system, no?
Yep, it's nice. Not many systems have this.
Oh yeah, Danny, this is the system that the jet skis have. No?
Yeah, the jet skis have the same system. The only thing is you don't have the ability to actually clean it like this. You actually have to take the grate out from the bottom and clean it.
Okay.
That's just because this is more for a big boat. This is a bigger system. Another only disadvantage of this is that you lose really almost 20% power
that's true.
From the engine to the drive because it's just...
For that reason, some people consider that this system is not as efficient like the other one. No?
People like this, especially if they have kids. You know, they don't get hurt with a propeller.
Yeah,
you know, like the tenders, they like them to have jet drives as well.
Jet drives, yeah.
They don't have to worry about a propeller cutting anything or leaking oil, so stuff.
But however, there are big boats with the jet drive system.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
I know
big yachts.
Big yachts with the jet drive system. Okay, guys, here we have normally 2 or 3 states of impellers, and the impellers compress the water and create ultra high pressure, and in this area the pressure of the water is converted into acceleration.
Exactly.
Because the pressure, the water compressed enter in the nozzle, and in the nozzle it's like a funnel. The diameter is reduced, and the high pressure is converted in acceleration. And this is the nozzle that is connected. With the steering.
Right.
With the steering of the boat, and for that reason, the other name for that nozzle is steering nozzle.
Steering nozzle.
Okay. The water is compressed, ultra high pressure over there, and after that, in the funnel, the speed of the water increased dramatically.
Yep.
And the jet of water going out produce in the boat, because this is the boat, a reaction in the opposite direction, and the boat move in the opposite direction that the flow of water.
Yeah.
Is the third law of Newton.
Right, exactly. And the water pressure is so strong that you even see them on the jet packs, the water jet packs. They use jet ski motors to run the jet packs.
That's correct. And guys, the cable, the steering cable coming from the wheel is connected here. The steering the boat, and this one is the bucket to produce reverse.
Yeah, the water, when this comes down into
the water enter over there and goes down.
The water this way, causing it to go back.
Correct. This is the bucket for reverse, and it's moved for this actuator, and this actuator is moved in the control. Forward and reverse. That's it.
The only thing with the steering on the jet drive, it's kind of like when you want to turn, you have to give it more throttle. If not, the boats slide
that's
because
true.
There's no keel because it's a jet drive.
You know, Danny, that there are some boats that they don't have the bucket.
Right, because it can't go reverse. It's only forward.
Correct.
The older stuff has.
But you need to be careful because when you select reverse in the transmission of the engine, not necessary the boat go in reverse if you don't have the bucket.
Correct.
Because the impeller not produce reverse, only produce compression,
forward motion.
pressure to increase the pressure of the water, is not to produce reverse. For that reason, it's necessary the bucket in a small boat, in a small boat like.
Some jet skis don't have it, and some jet skis do.
They have
the
it.
newer ones pretty much all have it now.
Okay, it's simple, guys. This is the nozzle for a steering nozzle. It's controlled here with the steering of the console, and this actuator is to move the bucket for reverse or forward. And this is the coupling that engage with the coupling of the engine and gearbox. And this is the raw water pump used for the gearbox of the engine or the engine. That's it. This is the jet drive. It's not complicated, no, Danny?
No, pretty good.
It's a wonderful system. Once again, guys, today the people install here diesel engines or gasoline engines or electric motors, AC or DC, to convert that system in a hybrid system.